Hi, welcome to the Analyst. Today I'll show you two ways to delete duplicate entries from Excel. I'll copy paste the original data, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. I'll paste that data here. Once again, I'll select that data. Just go to the Data tab. Under Data tab, you will see Data Tools. In Data Tools, you will see Remove Duplicates. Click on Remove Duplicates. Click OK. All the four duplicate entries has been deleted. That's easy. That was the first way. I'll show you second way. The data tab, go to the get and transform data. You will see from table range. Select that. It will open a Power Query editor and the table range is already selected. So what I have to do is select all three columns and right click, remove duplicates. It will remove all the duplicate entries. After removing duplicate entries, go to close and load 2, and I'll paste that final data on existing worksheet. Where? Here. Yeah, so I'll click OK. Yeah, we got unique entries. By using Power Query, we deleted only 3. Why this is so? I'll show you. Check this and this may look same, but difference is of upper and lower case. It means when you use Power Query to delete duplicate entries, it is a case sensitive. So if your data is case sensitive and you want to keep upper and lower case data as a different data, that time you can use Power Query. But if your data isn't case sensitive, that time you can use data tools remove duplicates option. So, and one more difference between these two ways is, like, if you add any extra entry here, suppose I'll add one more entry. I'll change just one number from here, and if source data has been changed, and you want to get the unique entries from that new data, if you use first way you have to follow all the steps again, but in second way you just have to right click and refresh it. You got all the data. It means it is a dynamic, and it is not. So first way, we use went to data and remove duplicates. It is not case sensitive and it is not dynamic, but by using Power Query you can create a distinct list which is case sensitive and which is dynamic. So I hope it will help you to clean data, and this type of questions can be asked in data analytics interview also, so it will help you there also. So keep watching videos to get more information like this, and thank you for watching.